Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we will talk about constant in Python. Okay, so we will start our discussion with what is a constant. Constant is nothing but a fixed value which cannot be modified at any point in your program. But unfortunately, there is no way of declaring constant in Python. Now the question arises, how we can declare constant in Python? The answer is we have to use variable as a constant in Python. Now, as I said, or as we know, that variable is something which can be modified at any point in the program. Now, the second question arises that how we can use the variable as a constant. So there are some workarounds for it, which I would like to discuss with you in this session. You can use any one of these workarounds so that at any point, you can remember that this is a constant variable and you should not modify this value mistakenly. So the first workaround is declare constant with name in capital letters. For example, if I want to declare any max value, so what I can do, instead of keeping all the characters of max value word in small, I can keep all the characters of max value word in caps. So in this way, it will help us to remember that this is a constant variable and we should not try to modify this value. Now the second workaround is declare the constant variable with the name in capital letters. Along with it, use double underscore in prefix and suffix like this. So again, this, because of its appearance, difference in the appearance with the other variables defined in your program, it will help you to remember that this is a constant variable. We should not try to modify it. Now the third and the most effective way is to declare all the constant variables in a separate file, that is constant.py file, or you can give any name to your file, but constant.py, again, this naming convention will help us understand that this file is for constants only. For example, in the constant.py file, I have declared three variables. One is the max value, which with all the characters in small. Then second one is min value with all the characters in caps. And then third one is the value of pi, with all the characters in caps, along with it double underscore in the prefix and suffix. Now, in the main program, I need to use these constant variable. So first thing that I need to do is I have to import this constant.py file in the main program. And this is what I have done here in the slide. So import constant, this is the first statement in the program, and then using this constant dot in the prefix, along with it I can use any variable which has been defined in the constant.py file. Now, as I have already discussed the methods of importing files in the Python program in my previous session, I've already shared you one link in the comment section. You can go there and you can refer which method suits you for importing a file in the Python program. But here, for example, I have used the first method, that is I've used import constant, and then at the time of using the values of the constant variable, I'm using constant dot and then the variable name. So in this way, it helps me to remember that this is a constant variable and I should not try to modify this value. Okay, now let's see some demo here. So our first workaround was to declare all the characters of constant variable in caps. So if I declare all the characters in caps for constant variable and run it, Python is giving the value of this constant variable. So just because of this appearance, it will help me to remember that this is a constant variable. It should not be modified. But let's say in our program, there are multiple times that we use variable also in capital letters. Then in that case, what we can do, we can put double underscore in prefix and suffix, and then at the time of using it we'll have to use the exact character, and then when we run it, you can see here we are getting the same result. So this is again just because of the naming convention. It is helping us to understand that, remember that this is a constant variable. Now let's talk about the third and the most effective way. So the most effective way is to create a separate file named as constant.py, and in this file we can define all the value. So let's say max value with all the characters in small as 10, then min value with all the characters in caps, then value of pi with all the characters in caps, along with it double underscore in the prefix and suffix. Now to access these values in our main program, what we'll have to do, we'll have to first import this file, import constant. Now the second thing that we will do is, at the time of using the variable, we'll have to use constant, the name of the file, or you can say the name of the module, in prefix constant dot, and then we can refer to any variable which has been defined in the file. So you can see here when I run it, I'm again getting the value as 10. Now instead of this, if I want to use min value, so you can see here we are getting the value as 1, or if I want to use the third variable, then I'll have to write double underscore pi double underscore. So again we are getting value as 3.14. So Python is not giving any error. Also we just need to remember that even though we have declared these variables in a separate file, but these are still the constant variables. Sorry, these are still the variables. So we can again modify these values at any point in the program. So just we have to declare the constant variables in such a way, we have to give the naming convention of our constant variable in such a way so that most of the time we should remember that this is a constant variable and it should not be modified. Okay. Now, so these are some of the ways of declaring constants in Python, and as I said that these are variables, so we should try not to update or modify these variables, constant variables, mistakenly. Okay, and for this what we have to do, we will have to give a separate naming convention to the constant variables. In this way it will help us to remember most of the time that this is a constant variable and we should not try to modify it. That's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you.